Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on, Wagwan? So into today's video, Obi decided to join me and we're going to do a challenge, and it is rock paper scissors challenge. And if you lose, you get the powder. Don't get headed at the powder. So that's what we're going to do. He's not good at rock paper scissors, so let's see how this go. You ready? Alright, let's take me up the towel. We're going to put it on. What's wrong with your face?
No, you're going to do what with the towel?
May I put it on here and put the powder on it so it don't fall off?
So why not use the rag, that small rag?
Just in case, may have this one just in case you want to wipe off your face.
Just use the big towel to wipe off your face. Just do it like this. Can't you do it like this?
No, I want it to open out some more.
Okay, like that?
No, it will open out some more. Yeah, probably like, yeah.
Do
like
it
that.
like that.
Like this. Right. You hold this towel.
No, give me one end and you take the other end.
Okay. Alright. So let's pour it all
That's
over.
too much.
You know your head big.
Damn!
You know your head big.
You know your head big.
You ready?
How much for the powder? How much money?
$1.25.
I will it for money that I'm not Shana.
Alright. I get ready. Put your hand here. Put your hand here so they can see.
This way?
Yeah.
No, you gotta do it like this.
Oh yeah, okay, let's do it like this then. You ready?
Alright.
What are you gonna do?
Play rock, paper, scissors.
No, what are you gonna draw?
I'm not drawing anything.
You're not gonna tell me this time what you're gonna do? What you're gonna play?
Come now.
I'm gonna do rock, okay?
Okay. Rock?
Rock we're gonna do, okay?
Alright, let's go there.
Yeah, that's that.
No, I don't understand.
Okay, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Wait. Should we count first?
I don't know how it really works.
Okay, let's go. Let's just do it.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. You're supposed to scissors. You're supposed to scissors. You're supposed to shoot. I think I said go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, I'm a win. See
No,
that?
no, I mean the scissors and paper you do.
No, I saw you come.
No, I saw me come.
I saw
What
you
is so? What is so?
A pint here, a pint, but that and a scissors, that half a scissors.
So what are you doing? Come on, let's go again. But do it with
That you use.
Okay,
Yes.
let's do it again.
rock, paper, scissors.
You see? Your teeth in a
Alright, let's do it. Okay, no.
I'm a win. Take off your glasses. Take off the glasses.
Wait, we kind of do it
Take off
slow.
the glasses. Take off the glasses.
We do it slow.
Take off the glasses.
Wait. We kind of
Take
do
off
it
the
slow, so we
glasses.
have to do it back.
Take off the glasses.
Oh, you seem so happy.
Take off the glasses.
Oh, you seem so happy if you do this.
Leo, did I win?
Hello, and I say you do, you must dump the head down into it. Don't want to take it up. Put it here, close to me.
Come here. You want to do it? You want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try it with mom. Come around.
But now, play. You say you don't be something for me, so.
I'll win.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Wait. We'll put
Almost
my
scratch me.
Put your taste bud. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Rock,
Paper, scissors.
Win again.
No, don't be head down into it.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. It's going to be painless.
Just chill, man.
Close your eyes. Move your hand. What me say you should do?
Close my eyes.
Alright.
See. Okay, yeah, alright.
You good?
I love something going on my mouth. Taste bitter, man.
Tastes bitter because it's scented, so them had them chemical to it to get it scented.
Okay, let's go. Cause you get
Too much
today, you know.
Too much.
You don't know why me even do that. Go, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors.
No! God, please, no! No!
Moving again.
No. No, man, no.
God, that was the last of it.
No.
End the video.
You not end the video. Me need to get one, man. No,
End the video.
man.
No, that's
No.
it. We finished.
No.
3 out of 3, Shana. 3 out of 3. We win. That's it. We're gone.
No. Oh.
3 out of 3. we
Come.
win. That's too much again.
Alright, just leave that little bit. Come on.
But we win.
Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors.
何お前はもう死んでいる。
Me win. Me win. Oh my God. You should have put more on it this time, you know, man.
That was a little bit.
You done now?
Yeah. Leo, I lost.
Yes, I got him, Leo. I got him. This is our last one.
A 3 out of 3, I win already, Shana. I win the 3 of them. How can this be the last one? I'm
We
already
didn't, you know
winning
what? We didn't say how much we're doing.
3. No, I saw it
Guys,
got
we didn't say how much
normally 3.
we're doing. A 3? I guess you can do any amount.
No, you can't do it. I got there for you all night. I lick one another with the pillow. And you hit me too hard, man. Jesus.
Don't be so excited.
I win.
Alright, you know what? Because some people are soft, as there's so much you give me. Alright.
Yeah, but me take time when me do it.
Osh. I was so excited.
That
You know
doesn't seem
what?
like an excited, that seem like an angry.
This is what side you with, bro.
My
I
God.
know me have got this story, you know, no more. Okay, do you want to do one more or?
No, that's it. Come win all 3 of them.
Anyway, so he won, I lost.
Of
Obviously, you can see. This was nasty. Stop it.
Anyway, me win.
Anyway.
Right, Leo, I won. I got 3, Mom only got 1. So who won?
You.
Thank you. Thank you.
You and me.
We'll do it. We'll do it next. You want to do it afterwards? Go put a shirt
Put
on.
on a shirt and come.
Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you in my other videos later. We're out. Oh, kind of girly. We have that.